It's glowy and it's bronze. It's fire like Solange. Makes all my haters cry like cranes in the sky. So fresh and so chic. It's quite unique. I ain't talking metaphorical, the proofs in the tutorial. Hey y'all, did you enjoy my little intro? Please don't ever mind me. I just wanted to channel my inner Issa Rae for a few. But let's go ahead and start this tutorial. I'm just going to start off by priming my eyes with just this regular NYX HD concealer that I never use. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set that exact same area with my Coty Airspun loose face powder. And now introducing the star of the show, which is the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. I know I'm a couple years late, came out some time ago, but I just got this on sale and I just really wanted to do a look with it. So I started with the shade Bucked in my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Boundaries on top of that Bucked. And now I'm gonna take Endgame and work that in my crease as well. And I did it with the Morphe M507 brush because I wanted that to be specifically concentrated just in the crease and not to be as diffused out as Bucked and Boundaries were. Now we're gonna cut this crease like we're cutting off all toxic friendships in 2020 with the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm just going to spritz some setting spray on this flat shader brush before we go in with our first shimmer shadow, which is the shade Angel Fire, and I'm just going to place this in the inner corner of my eye. Well, not the super inner corner, a little bit more I guess than the inner corner, but just like the inner part of my eye. Now with a different brush using the same process, I'm going to go in with the shade Reputation on the rest of my eyelid. And now I'm going to take the shade Barely Baked and with like a skinny, kind of brush, I'm going to place that on my inner corner, kind of sort of as like an inner eye corner highlight. And now we're done with the eyes. We love an easy eye look. Now I'm just going to prime with my NYX First Base Primer Spray. And for long wearability and oil control purposes, I always set my primer with a powder. So I'm just going back in with my Coty Loose Face Powder. And now I'm just going to go in and color correct with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Peach Color Corrector. And now I'm taking my Creamy Beige Concealer again to not only further cover up my designer bags, but to also provide just an extra bright under eye highlight. I like my under eye highlight to just be like super bright. For foundation today, I'll be using the BECCA Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Long Wear Foundation. I think that's the name. But I'm going to just list all products that are mentioned in this video down in the description box below. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with Covergirl's Trublend Undercover Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Now I'm going to go ahead and set all of my highlight with the Coty Loose Face Powder. Now it's finally time to chisel this face, and I'll be doing it with the black Radiance Color Perfect foundation stick in the shade Cashmere. It's been too long and I'm lost without you. What am I gonna do? Hey, y'all enjoy my mini concert? But anyways, I'm gonna go in with just a tad bit of blush because I do want to keep this look more so on the bronzy side. And now I'm gonna use the NYX Love Contours All palette just to contour my nose slightly. Now I'm taking the shade Bronze in ABH's Sun Dip Glow Kit to highlight. So I went back in with Barely Baked and used that as a brow bone highlight. But honestly, I could have slick deleted this because you can't even see it. So let's move on to my favorite part of this entire look, which is the lips. I took this like reddish brownish lip liner that I bought from the beauty supply. I kind of don't even want to show y'all the brand because it's just a generic one that I really did just get from my local beauty supply store, and I used that to line my lips. And now I'm gonna go in with Mented Cosmetics Semi-Matte Lipstick in the shade Brand Nude. Now I'm gonna use Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray to set my face. And throw on these gorgeous lashes. And that completes our look. Wait, You're still not subscribed, my friend? Well, what are you waiting for? I promise you it's free 99. Also, leave a like and a comment if you feel obliged to. And thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Bye.